Good afternoon, P1 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 24th of June 2020. Our learning objective for today is that we can understand the word stop, faster, and slower. Or we can say fast, fastest, slow, slower, slowest, right? So when we say, again, our objective for today is I can understand the word stop. When we say stop, it's not an action that it's not moving anymore, right? When we say slow, slower or slowest, it means that it will take a long time to get to another place. And when we say fast, faster or fastest, it's like taking a short time to get to another place, right? For example, remember the story about the rabbit and the hare, right? So the rabbit runs, he thinks that he is the fastest animal, and then the tortoise or the it's the hare and rabbit are the same. It's the rabbit and the tortoise or the turtle. Turtle walks really slow, right? So even if the turtle walks really slow, but he was very determined, right? And he really continues slow and steady, wins the race. Okay, so again, stop, slow, and fast. These are movements, right? When we say, teacher, can you talk fast? Hello, my name is Teacher Mizelle. How are you today? And teacher, can you talk slowly or slow? Hello, my name is Teacher Mizelle. How are you today? And stop. So I will not talk anymore, right? Same with eating. So I have here some biscuits or crackers. So now let's do the action together. So it's not only going from one place to another, like running. You can run slow or you can run really fast, right? So like same with eating. Okay, what do you want me to do, fast or slow? Fast? Okay. Teacher, can you eat fast? Sure. Stop. Let me drink water, okay? So that is, I was eating fastly, right? Teacher, can you eat slowly or slow? Sure. Stop. So I stop eating slowly. One more time. Fast. Slow. Fast. Slow. Fast. Stop. Okay, so that's why it's not good to eat really fast, right? When we eat something, we have to eat it slowly and naturally, because if you eat it so fast like what I did, it is very dangerous. It can choke you and can cause you to die, right? So we don't eat fast. And also when we talk, and also when we eat something, we should not talk. But since teacher has to demonstrate it, that's why I have to talk to say stop. All right, so again, stop it means that not moving anymore. It means stop. Okay, let's say for example, another action is that you can say, teacher, dance fast or fastly, slowly, fast, slowly. Teacher, can you say fastly or fast? Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Slow. Happy birthday to you. Stop. Very good. So again, these are the things that we are going to learn today. What are those words again? We have, first one we have stop. It means that you stop doing whatever you are doing. It means you are freezing, not moving. Slow, when we take things slowly, not, it's the opposite of fast, right? If we want to walk from let's say from campus 12 or campus or main campus, and you want to go to Aeon Mall and you walk really slow, maybe it will take 10 hours to walk. But if you walk fastly, so maybe it's only 5 hours, right? So you see the difference. So if you walk really fast, then you will go, you will arrive early. But if you walk really slow, then it will take more time than that. All right. So again, that will be all for today. And for your assignment, you are going to answer the worksheet that we did last Friday. Remember, teacher told you that it will be given, or it will be shown to your one of your worksheet for this week. Goodbye. And remember, do not eat too fast. Okay, just moderately and naturally. Goodbye.